Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we will show you how to create automatic depth of field with the smooth transition effect in Godot 4. As you can see, I've already set up the scene. If I run it, we can move around freely. Now, let's code the auto DOF effect. First, go to your player scene. Then add a Raycast node inside the camera. Set its Z position to -2, and name it Blur Range. This will detect objects in front of us, and start the far blur effect. Next, attach a script to the camera node. Let's define a few variables. First, we will set up blur for max and blur for min distances at 103 respectively. Then similarly define blur near min and blur near max. To explain, the blur for max distance is when you are looking forward with no object nearby, while the blur far min distance is when there is an object in front of us. Now, let's set up the rest of the variables. We'll start in the physics process function. Here, we'll first set the target position for the blur range, making them easily adjustable through export variables. Next, let's set up the camera attribute. So if I run it, you can see the far blur and near blur. Let's code the main part. So it means if blue range detects a collision, far objects will blur, while near objects stay clear, and vice versa if there's no collision. Let's test it out first. I'll explain more after that. If we go here, you can see the far blur in effect, and the near. To explain, the raycast origin is where it starts, and the collision point is where it hits an object, giving us the distance. So it looks like this. To create a smooth transition, we can use the lerp function. Almost done. Let us test it again. It's working well. Let's do it similarly for near blur. It looks good. Now, I will decrease the blur amount to make it look even better. Testing it again, and it looks much smoother. You can remove the lerp function for near blur, then it will look better. So let's fix some mistakes. You can remove this. For making it smooth, we can multiply it by 2. I think it would good if I rename it to object detector and define it as a variable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tutorials. Goodbye.